afternoon, and of course, good evening, traders. Good evening, traders from across the globe. Thank you for tuning in to my 2493rd edition of Short-Term Trading Live with Oscar Carboni. Traders, I haven't done a video for 4 days, right? Wednesday night for Thursday was my last video. Didn't do one Friday, I didn't do one Sunday. Today's Monday, so we got to one on Monday. But that's because my great friend and programmer, Tony Tuzzo's in town, and we're spending a lot of time enhancing the site. But I thought I'd get in front of the camera tonight and give you an update on what I see on these charts. Before we get started, and there's several topics on the board, please remember that trading is very risky. Never trade without stops. Put them in first. I'm doing this 41 years now, and I still get stopped out from time to time. Always put your stops in, put them in first. None of us get this right every day. So, for video 2493, which is for trading on Monday night through Tuesday, November 22nd. Are we at November 22nd already?
Yeah.
Wow. November 22nd. Wow, this year is just, see you later. 2093, let's call it. I'll just screw the whole damn thing up. How's that? All right, so we're going to 2093, and here's what's going to happen. NASDAQ looks shortable on my charts. I'm going to show you that chart right now. The Russell 2000, that looks shortable too. Yuck. So we're going to get short. We're going to put stops in first, right? Remember, we always place our stops first. We're going to get short when the market rallies up, and hopefully it'll drop back down where we can take profit, but the stop will be in case it just keeps rallying. Then we get knocked out of the trade. The beauty of that is you get to live to fight another day. So put those stops in, okay? Shortable, Russell, shortable, the euro, the almighty dollar, and the 200 bar moving average. I'll show you what's going on there. And remember that this is a holiday week. Sometimes one fund sticks around and really makes some big moves happen. I have a feeling you're going to see that between the euro and the dollar. And then there was Tesla. Or maybe I should say then there wasn't Tesla anymore. The stock doesn't look good on the charts at all. I gave out a target of, 163? We were trading in the 190s. I did a live session sometime last week or the week before. Someone asked me to check out Tesla. I pulled the chart. We did analysis. It showed 163. I think we hit that target by tomorrow, and then I'll show you another target below that if that gets hit in Tesla. Great company, great cause, but hey, the stock market's not going up right now. And sometimes stocks don't go up either when the stock market doesn't. So let me show you the charts on NASDAQ, on Russell, on the euro, and the dollar. And somebody, let's actually bring them into the video. Who do you think it is? Oh, this should be interesting. He's going to see this tomorrow. I wouldn't answer this live on camera, but Dano, why not answer you? You're part of the team. You have made the video. You're going to be famous tomorrow. So I'm in the middle of filming a video. How can I help you, sir? I can feel that brainstorm coming over here from you. I can tell it's happening. So when I'm done with the video, we'll give you a quick call. All right. Thank you. Bye. You know him. It's Dano. Everybody knows him. All right. He has rights. I had to answer that. All right. So traders are going to show you the charts in the video. And as I was mentioning, Tesla, there's a lot of stocks right now that do not look good. That doesn't mean we're going to go down like crazy, because we know that we're getting towards the end of the road of them raising interest rates at 3/4 point at a clip. We don't know that they're done doing that, but it's starting to look that way. And if that's the case, there won't be much downside left. Once they taper on their tightening, if you will, once they, instead of tightening 75%, when they go down to 50, 25, the market's just going to enjoy that and go the other way. For now, we are still in taper mode. Well, we're still in tightening mode at 75 basis points per tightening. That's a lot. I mean, every time that happens, the market's got to adjust lower. So remember, when the Fed is done doing that, and crude oil hit 75 the other day, or yesterday, a little bit today, bounced back to 80, but you keep crude under 77, that will help the stock market too. So this video is for trading like, I don't know, the next 24 hours. It may change, the landscape may change because crude's coming down. For tomorrow, Tuesday, we will be selling rallies in NASDAQ, Russell, E-mini, S&P. Traders, with no further ado, let's go look at some charts. Traders, the NASDAQ daily bar, the 100 bar moving average, which once it started to come into play, it means a lot. Failure at it, and now pennant flags, you're going to see more of them in this video, are all over the place. Looks to me like it could go either way with this flag, and because we had the failure here, you'll likely fall out of the bottom of that flag. Omni's pointing towards the downside for Tuesday, and we will expect to sell rallies in that little formation right there. Next, check this out. Doesn't look any better. The Russell 2000. 4 bars above the 200 bar moving average. And we know that Wall Street loves this average, right? They just love it. It's programmed into all the algorithms. We had 4 daily bars above the 200 and a big crack came. 4 daily bars above the 200 and we're going down already. So I think we're getting more of the same, and Omni is pointing down for trading on Tuesday. Now we move out. Let's look at the euro. Traders, look at this fantastic channel that the euro just stayed in. No matter where it went, that channel just put it in check all the way up and down the line. And there was a huge drop in price while the channel kept us in check. Bear flags were made, they produced. Well, we popped out of the channel right here and went straight up, but look what was waiting for it. And I promise you, this is absolutely programmed into all the algorithms on Wall Street. Not all, but many. 200 bar moving average, we get that close to it from here to here, and the breakdown starts. Euro does not look good, and the Omni is pointing towards the downside. And then we take the almighty dollar. Same thing, had a massive channel. Channel kept it in check. Breaks the channel, what's it do? Comes near the 200 bar moving average and starts heading right back up again. So dollar up means euro down. If this continues in that direction, euro is absolutely going to go lower for the next day or two. And then we've got Tesla. Then there was Tesla, another one of those pennant flags. And you see the way it fell out of it? That's what I'm expecting from NASDAQ as well. Even though the pennant flag looked like this on the NASDAQ, I think because we've created a pennant-looking formation right here, in Tesla and the NASDAQ, you're going to get the same reaction. That's what we're expecting anyway. Now, Tesla, we gave out a target when we dropped out of this formation of 163. It's almost there. This is 163. I think once you break that, you will drop to 146 eventually. Nothing goes straight down, as you can see, sometimes a little jagged up, but we will end up down at 145, 146, 143, somewhere around there, give or take a few bucks, if we get below 163. That's what I've got for you, traders. Look at these charts yourselves. Make sure you join me at livewithoscar.com. Here's one thing that you will notice or take note to. See where Tesla's going? Well, Disney stock's going the other way. Did you see that Iger is put back in? Round of applause for Iger, right? Anybody who owns Disney knows this is a good thing, and hopefully it won't look like that. Traders, thanks for tuning in. Good luck trading, and remember, stops are in. Emotions are out. Thank you for tuning in. I will see you all at livewithoscar.com.